What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Victoria Everglot from The Corpse Bride. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Let's start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's move to the center of each eye and draw a small black dot for the pupils. And I'll add the lashes along the top. Let's start on the top left, bend this out and up. Let's leave a gap. I'm just going to draw a few more going out towards the side of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the top and just working our way out. Now I'm going to move to the center, step down and add a small curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down. And we'll add two small black dots on either side for the nostrils. Now from the nose, we're going to step down and add a curve for the mouth. Starting back over on the left, curve this down, across, and then up. Let's add the upper lip. We're going to start right in the middle with a V. And then from the sides, curve this down and then out. Let's draw the lower lip with a small half circle. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out. We're going to curve this down, around the head, and just pull this in towards a point, towards the chin. Go out towards the right, go around the eye, and then bend that up. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to go up along the side of the head, round this out, and come down in the center towards a point. Go up towards the right, come all the way around, and then back down. Let's add the eyebrows. Starting on the left side, bend this up, and then in. Line this up on the right. Now I want to thicken up the eyebrows. Just rounding this out on the inside. Just going to follow that curve and just taper it out towards the end. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to go out to the side and draw on the ears. Let's start on the left. Going all the way around and then bend that in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to split the hair in half. So we're going to start right in the middle with the left side. We're going to go up, bend this around, come down, and then in towards the ear. Just going to add a little curl going up. Now step up, go around that curl, and then in towards the ear. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start in the middle, going up towards the same height, come all the way around towards the side, towards the ear. Let's add that little curl going up, and bend this around in towards the ear. Let's go in between, add a curve, going up and down, and then we'll add the bun in behind, starting back over on the left, going up, across, and then down. Let's add that ruffled collar underneath the chin. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to bend this around, just add a little wave going across towards the right, and just tuck that back in. From the side of the collar, let's bend this in and then down towards the shoulders. Now from the collar, it's going to bend the body, going out and then in. Round up the hips and go back out towards the side. Let's go back to the left, curve this down and up in the middle, come down and up towards the right. Now in the center, we're going to add a row of small buttons, starting from the top with a small circle, and then just work our way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to add 3 layers to her dress. Let's start from the left side, we're going to step down, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to connect the ends with a wave. Starting on the left, we're just going to go all the way across. Let's add that second layer. So we're going to step in, Bring this down and out. And again, we're going to draw that same way, going across. Let's add one more layer. Stepping in, bring this down and then out. And then again, just adding that same way. Let's add a trim across that top layer. Just going to follow that same curve going across. And we'll do the same thing across the top. Now with the arms, we're just going to bend this in towards the body. Let's start with the shoulders. Starting from the base of the neck, you can draw a circle coming in, leave a gap towards the side of the body. Now from here, come down and out towards the elbow. Bend this back down and then in. I'm just going to trace the arms along the inside. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Victoria Everglot from The Corpse Bride. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.